My name's Danny. Today we're going to be learning a traditional British marching song called the British Grenadiers. This song is hundreds of years old and would have been used by different sections of the British Army as they marched to a drum beat on the approach to a battle. The song speaks of 4 different ancient Greek heroes and compares them to the British Grenadiers. I wonder if you can think about who your heroes are in your life. They could be your teachers, your parents, some aunties or uncles or grandparents. Or maybe it's a famous footballer or a pop star or an actor. What is it about that person who you're thinking of which makes them really special to you? Is it their skills? Or are they very kind and generous? Think about anything that you might do which make you someone else's hero. Are you very kind to somebody when you get the chance? Or are you brave and you stand up for someone when they're in trouble? Before we go any further, let's get ourselves warmed up. The song today has a lot of words to fit in a very short space of time. So we're going to have to be extra energetic with our mouths to make sure that the words are clear. To get ready for this, we're going to try some tongue twisters. Let's start with an easy one. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Most of you probably know this one. Just try saying it with me to start with. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Good, I wonder if we can sing it as well. I'd like you to start at this high note and move right the way down as you sing red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Did you see how hard I worked with my mouth to make sure that the words came out? Let's try once more. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. You could try changing the colours of the lorries as well if you like. Blue lorry, green lorry, purple lorry, orange lorry. And if you make a mistake, it doesn't really matter. The next one is she sells seashells on the seashore. You might have heard that one as well. Say it with me. She sells seashells on the seashore. It's really easy to make a mistake in this one. Let's try singing it again. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. Good. And our last one is probably the most difficult. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? That's difficult. Let's try again. I'll say it slowly. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? And if you practice it over and over, you might be able to start to get really quick at it. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood? Did you notice I made a mistake? It doesn't really matter. It's just to get your mouth energised and get you ready to sing. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Rubbish. One more try. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? That was a bit better. Right, let's start to learn the song. First of all, I'm going to sing for you a whole verse and chorus of the piece. There are more verses which you could have a go at if you like. I'll write them in the description below. What I want you to listen out for while I'm singing is at the start of each chorus, it says the word with a tow, row, 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 row. Have a listen for those and see what you think they are supposed to represent. Some talk of Alexander and some of Hercules, of Hector and Lysander and such great names as these. But of all the world's brave heroes, there's none that can compare with the tow, row, 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 row of the British Grenadiers. Did you notice the tow, row, 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 row words I asked for? I wonder if you had any ideas what they are supposed to represent. Well, they're supposed to be the drums beating as the army march into battle. So every time you do a row, if you can roll your R's, and we go tow, row, 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 it's supposed to sound like the roll of the drums as the army marches into battle. I wonder whether you can try to do that in your go. Right, let's learn some. I'm going to sing, and then I want you to sing back to me. If it's my go, I'll have my hands like this, and when it's your go, like this. Some talk of Alexander, and some of Hercules. Your go. Of Hector and Lysander, and such great names as these. And Lysander. But of all the world's brave heroes, there's none that can compare. But of all the world's brave, there's none that can compare with the tow, row, 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 row of the British Grenadiers. With the tow, row. Well done, that was a good start. Next, I'm going to sing some slightly longer phrases for you. Some talk of Alexander, and some of Hercules, of Hector and Lysander, and such great names as these. Let's try that. Some talk of Alexander, and some of Hercules, of Hector and Lysander, and such great names as these. Good, here's the second half. But of all the world's brave heroes, there's none that can compare with the tow, row, 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 row of the British Grenadiers. Let's try that together. But of all the world's brave heroes, there's none that can compare with the tow, row, 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 row of the British Grenadiers. Good effort. Remember, if you're struggling with some of the words are in the description below, so if you want to have them on the page while you sing, that's absolutely fine. Shall we try singing the whole song together? Some talk of Alexander, and some of Hercules, of Hector and Lysander, and such great names as these. But of all the world's brave heroes, there's none that can compare with the tow, row, 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 row of the British Grenadiers. Very well done. My next challenge for you is to see if you can sing it a bit faster. Just like we did with our tongue twisters, it is a good idea to practice something very slowly while you're getting used to it, and then when you think you've got much better at it, to make it a bit quicker until it's the speed you want. Let's try. Some talk of Alexander, and some of Hercules, of Hector and Lysander, and such great names as these. But of all the world's brave heroes, there's none that can compare with the tow, row, 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 row of the British Grenadiers. Well done if you kept up. That was very quick. If you need to practice it a few times, pause here and try again later. Just a couple of things then before you go. As we were talking about heroes, I wonder whether you could draw your ideal superhero. What are their special powers? What is their name? Who is it they help out in their time of need? And maybe have a good think about their powers. Is it just to fly? Or do they do extraordinary things to help other people? Also, thinking back to tongue twisters, perhaps see if your parents or your grandparents know the tongue twisters we were learning. If not, maybe you could teach them. Or they might know some tongue twisters that you've never heard of and they could teach you. It's fun to do things with other people, especially when it's new things we've learned. Hope you have fun singing. See you again. Thanks so much for engaging with our video and maybe even joining in yourselves. We'd love to see what your young people have been up to, so please feel free to send us any pictures or videos to our Twitter page, which is in the description below, along with 1 or 2 resources which you might find helpful. Please use the hashtag getintune.